The Lefant M330 Pro robot vacuum mop uses precise laser navigation to map your rooms intelligently so it covers large spaces efficiently without wandering aimlessly or missing obvious areas. Its low-profile body and sensitive obstacle sensors let it slip under sofas and beds while carefully steering around chair legs, toys, and cords instead of bumping into everything. Automatic carpet recognition means it keeps rugs dry while mopping and then increases suction when vacuuming, giving carpets a noticeably deeper clean than basic robot models. A built-in water reservoir and reusable mop pad allow it to vacuum and mop in a single pass, which makes day-to-day floor maintenance much easier in busy households. The tangle-resistant suction design handles pet hair far better than brush-based robots, and the transparent dust container makes it simple to see when it actually needs to be emptied. App and voice control support let you set cleaning schedules, no-go areas, and power levels from your phone or smart speaker, so the robot quietly handles routine cleaning with very little hands-on effort.